a luddy, a daddy. We like to party. A luddy, a ding, a ding, a ding, a ding. Man, it feels like a Friday. I mean, it did just now. Anyway, it's a terrific Thursday. A fantastic Thursday. A thirsty Thursday. Thirsty Thursdays used to be my go-to drinking nights. Start the weekend early. Anyway, ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Let me get tasty. I'm running a little behind. We had a little ship emergency this morning. I had to drop the kids off twice so far. Second time was pretty brutal. So tasty. In the morning. I'm going to talk about selling on my Cardano for Solana. We need to tweet that out, boy. Now, them are some big moves right there. No jokes. I feel like I'm talking to no one. I hate it when Kurt's not around. I can always count on old Kurt being here. All right. Last time I checked, oh, Jonathan's in the house. How you doing, brother? I checked Coinbase a couple hours ago, and it was up in pre-market. Crypto's doing okay. I mean, it looks like it's trying to pump. The SEC is looking at ETFs. Technically, they can approve as early as today. Man, who the hell knows what's going on with them? Gary recently said, like, all cryptos are a scam. I don't know what his hatred with crypto is, to be honest. I mean, he's not wrong. Most of them are scams. But so are a lot of stocks, bro. Like, well, I mean, does the SEC not regulate pink sheets or not go after pink sheet companies? Like, why do they leave that shit alone? You know what I'm saying? Or do they? I'm not sure. But 98% of pink sheet over-the-counter stocks are scams, shell companies. Now Coinbase is down a little bit. Well, that kind of sucks. It was up to 110. It must have been around 110 yesterday at close. I didn't realize that because it shows it's down $1.70. Tesla had earnings yesterday. I think they're down. I feel like someone was saying you should kind of expect that. Maybe sell some covered calls. I don't really remember who that was. Probably some smart trader that really knew what he was talking about. All right, we are live over on Rumble. Pop out the chat. One day we're going to show up in Rumble. It's going to have, oh, it looks like I lost a prescriber on Rumble. I lost another prescriber on YouTube. It really bums me out when that happens. When I go negative, I've seen a lot of channels though, like Taiki, like his channel's he's been losing by the hundreds a month. People don't want to hear about crypto yet, I guess. I mean, if people are still losing, like it's tough. It's hard out there for a pimp. So, I mean, the masses, the dumb masses haven't come back to crypto yet. They're coming. Boy, they'll be coming when it's FOMO time. FOMO! The dumb masses will be coming when it's, you know, Bitcoin's 60,000, 70,000, 100,000. Oh, it's time to buy. Cardano's $3, $5. Oh, it's time to buy. No, bro. Now's the time to buy. All right, let's see what we got going on. A ding a ding ding. NASDAQ down 90. It was down like 100 this morning. Not really sure what's going on in the NASDAQ or the E-mini S&P is only down 5. That's basically flat. Bitcoin futures up a couple $100. Crude oil up $1, $76 a barrel. That's pretty expensive. Gold down $3. We're still sitting at 1977. Hanging around all-time highs, but still one of the lamest trades in the last 20 years. You could have 2x your money I think. You would have bought gold in 2000. You made 2 extra money, then lost half of it, and then 2x it again. So after over 20 years, you 2 extra money. I mean, yeah, I don't know about that. What do we got? What do we got? Silver up 11 or down 11 cents, still at $25.27. Volatility down 15 cents. That's a little abnormal considering the market's down. Volatility usually goes up. Bonds, holy shnikes, bros, down 1 point and 4 ticks. That is not good for the good kids. Bonds go down, rates go up. And then we got the softs. Wheat's up, soybeans are down, corn's down. Cardano, 32.5 cents, breaking 33 cents yet. Cardano was pumping. I'm not sure what's going on there. Coinbase now down 250. 250? What's going on there? Let's see how Tesla's doing. Tesla had earnings yesterday. There's some really good news that came with Tesla. Yeah, man, it's down $13 and it was pushing 300. So I think it's really down like 20 some. You could have sold strangles and made a killing over there because this is well within the expected move. But selling strangles in Tesla is a big boy game. Selling naked puts and naked calls is a big boy game. I mean, if you sell a naked put, you basically have to have $25,000 if you sold the 250 just to cover it. But yeah, I mean, you could have sold some iron condors. You could have sold some covered calls and made a shitload of money. I'm not selling. I should sell covered calls, but I'm not in Coinbase. There's too much risk to the upside. If God forbid lightning strikes and the SEC's like, oh, we approve BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, Coinbase could double. Yeah. It could go through the roof. And let me tell you, when this bull run hits, I think this one is like going to go to the moon because their earnings reports are going to be insane. I bought $2,000 worth of Cardano and it cost me like 1.5%. It was $30 $30 just to buy it. That's $30 to sell it. They are making money hand over fist. It's insane. In a bear market right now. In a bull market, they're going to come out with an earnings report. First of all, it's going to go up because Bitcoin's going up. And then that first quarter after like a big bull run, oh my goodness, the stock's going to explode again. So this is an easy $300 or $400 stock conservatively in any type of bull run, not financial advice. All right, let's pop on over to crypto. Oh, you know what? I need to tweet this time. I need to tweet. Get some people over here. Get some people that, like, what's this idiot? Get all the Cardano people and all the, I mean, I'm sure no one will show up. But get rile up all the Cardano and Solana maxis. I love listening and watching those idiots go at it. Solana's about to flip Cardano's market cap. Who gives a shit, bro? It didn't even happen. You got all excited for nothing. Hasn't happened yet, bitch. It happened once a long time ago. You thought it would never flip again, and it's been over a year, bro. Bro. All right. Let's do a little hashtag Cardano, hashtag Solana, $ ADA, $ Sol. A tweet. I want to read this paper, see if I can understand Mithril. I don't think that does, I think that screwed it up. I'm going to be annoyed if it did. There we go. Who is that sexy mofo? Mithril. Mithril nearest mainnet release. Mithril stake base. Why Mithril joining bot? Run a full node. There are 2 ways to participate. Run a full node, which requires downloading and validating a full copy of the blockchain, approximately 100 gigabytes. You know, Harmony 1 was multiple hundreds of gigabytes. It was insane. They couldn't control it. Run a lightweight client by accessing trusted third-party APIs. And changing the game with Mithril, leveraging blah blah. To quickly and efficiently bootstrap a full Cardano node is the first use case. Do I get into the Cardano node game? With Mithril's evolution, we'll be able to deploy clients, light clients and mobile, streamline. Mithril will also empower. This isn't really telling me much. Mainnet protocol, Mithril MVP, and incentivize use case is fast bootstrapping a fully decentralized and how it works. I'll have to run through this later, but so far it doesn't make a lot of sense, to be quite honest. All right, let's see what's going on in crypto. Let's look at the charts. SPX and NASDAQ coming down a little bit. A couple of days of coming down. I wonder if they're going to come down to like the fibs, to the 20s, to some gap fills. This one went right up to a fib and pulled down. I mean, this is a long-term fib. We can do one right here and kind of see what we got going on. Basically up in that. So I don't know. Dow Jones, who cares? Dollar, that had fallen off a cliff and is trying to, I think this is just a dead cat bounce. And I think these are dead cat jump into the roof and drop back down for a second. He's going to pick himself back up and keep on going up. All right, crypto market cap 1.18 trillion. We need to get past this 1.26 trillion. And then we can keep on moving on up to the skies, to a deluxe apartment. Wait, keep on moving on up to a deluxe apartment in the sky. I see the hearts going. I mean, Kurt can't be here. Kurt's usually my heart man. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, trying to psych me out thinking Kurt's here. All right. Kurt, man, I saved the best title just to kind of like play with them a little. Selling all my Cardano for Solana. It's going to be killing him to watch this video. It's going to be killing him. I promise you the title is not clickbait. Where's Retro? We're lucky to get that guy to show up once a day. We also need to be asking, where's Casca? Casca's she hasn't been here. She only came by once last week, and it was on Thursday night. She hasn't been coming around. She's probably too hungover these days, early in the morning. All right, Bitcoin dominance still below 50. Benjamin Cowan's been pretty quiet. Bitcoin 30,264. Trying to get a little jiggy. XRP. Ethereum 1920. That's good for the good kids because that means I'm positive on both my long trades. Actually, because of carrying cost, I'm actually down $2, it looks like. I entered it like 1914, but my daily carrying cost has finally added up. So we need a little breakout. That's all right. It's okay. The carrying cost isn't too bad. And then over here, oh snap. This one should be up decent. 120 bucks. I entered this one at like 1840, 1848. This one requires you to use some stable SUSD. And the thing I like about GMX is you can use Ethereum. I mean, you can use Ethereum, you can use Bitcoin, you can use USDC. I could see myself doing some Ethereum or Bitcoin shorts as the bull run starts kicking off. Speaking of Thursday night, bitch, you only got 9 likes. I don't think we're gonna have an Adam Jones part 3 tonight. I'm not feeling it either. Normally I might give you one, but I'm tired, man. It's been a rough week. I've been hitting the toilet hard. I'm exhausted. We're gonna have to get to 10, and I don't want you cheating, bitch. You know, we're up to 2 likes on this one. You guys go hard on Monday, and then you just slack. Slack like mofos. I'm double checking right now. If it's at 10, I'm gonna weep. My guitar is gonna gently weep. 9 likes, bitch. So it has to get to 10 likes, bro, by the end of the stream. All right, I want to go back over and see if Coinbase. Oh, come on, Coinbase. Riot and Mara looking pretty good. Get those back up into the 100. Hut, get back up to like its $15, $20 range. Man, these miners can be some good plays going into this bull run too. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I'm literally talking at a very high, like basically yelling, and there's no need for it. It's hard on my voice. Is it more annoying to listen to when I'm like this, or when I'm excited? I mean, I guess it's when I'm excited. I'm fired up. I guess I don't know. I just need to work on my calm, Tom. This is my high blood pressure, Tom. That's my low calm, relaxing. Everything's okay, Tom. All right. Yeah, that's my time. You've been great. It's been pretty boring in crypto. We didn't look at Cardano much at all yesterday. We did get paid. Solana, $27. Let's do the old market cap. See how the old market cap between the two is going. Has Solana flipped Cardano yet? 10.8 and 11.4. Looks like Cardano actually increased the lead a little bit. Speaking of Cardano and Solana, let's check TVL. Solana at 8, up 10% in one day. What are people doing on Solana? There ain't shit to do over there. Where's all this at? SPL governance? What the hell's that? These numbers don't even make sense, guys. 700. Yeah, I guess it does. 716 million. 300 on this. Why are these gray? I didn't know Lido was over on Solana. What is this? And why does it have 295 million in TVL? A lot of shit. I mean, look at this. They're just a bunch of shit TVL that adds up. A bunch of garbage projects. Ukraine. What is this? Just DAOs? Create a DAO? Why does this counts as TVL? Why? This might be fake TVL. Like, I don't understand. What does this do? You just send money to people? Is this to send money to Ukraine? Aid for Ukraine. Why does this count as TVL? Cyborg Ape Society. Nothing. Switch. Okay, this looks dumb as hell. Alright. So this is just some fake 300 million in TVL. That's all I see. And then you go past that fake thing. Marinade Finance maybe has 174, but I don't understand why it's grayed out. This protocol to another or is under liquid, so it's subtracted from the total TVL. Alright. Gee, many Christmas. Everything's toggled on. Oh, I think it only gets included if you toggle it on. Yeah, a bunch of weird shit going on over here, bros. What's going on with Cardano? Ooh, they moved up to 14. They passed DeFi chain. They keep on moving on up to this to a deluxe apartment in the sky. They're coming for Pulse. I can't wait to take out Pulse and Mentos shows up, and we're just gonna shit on Mentos. All right, 247 million, 10 million behind Kava. Got a little way to go to catch Pulse though. Pulse is up 4% too. I don't know why anyone's using Pulse. Pulse is like the biggest scam on the internet. I have a serious question. Stranger in the house. How you doing, brother? NFTs, you saying Solana? NFTs don't count as TVL, to the best of my knowledge. I got a serious question for Gary Guzler. Why are you not going after Hex and Pulse? Huh? Like, they are literally securities. They are literally scams. Like, what in the actual F, bro? Why are you going after Solana, Polygon? I'm yelling because I'm excited. Cardano, Avalanche, when you got Hex. Oh my goodness, dude. The guy's literally hiding from you. And he's laughing. He's laughing at you, Gary, because you're scared of him. I guess. Like, what the hell, bro? All right, anyway. I say bro way too much now. I don't know what triggered bro. I remember when I first moved out to California. In Kansas, we'd say man. And I refused to be one of the dudes. Dude. And then I turned into one of the dudes. And now it's bro. I've refused to become one of the bros. And now it's like bro this, bro that. And it's out of control. What's next? Are we going to go back to man? All right. Adam, my people use the N-word. God damn it. I wish I knew if you were telling the truth or not, Ricky. All right. Radiant doing pretty good, 31 cents. Do I own Radiant? I think I already sold it for Ethereum for the most part. Ergo, $1.19. I'm interested in Ergo. I'm not going to lie. I kind of want to buy some. I might get involved in some DeFi over there, but I mean, I've already bought in some, like $1.70, so that didn't work out for me. Polkadot, Osmosis, Matic, 78 cents. How's Cardano? 32.7. Went as high as 33.2. We got a little mini alt season, I guess. Thoughts on Phantom hack? I didn't know they got hacked. Or did I? Did we talk about the Phantom hack yet? This week? We talked about someone getting hacked. Oh, it was Phantom. Yeah, I think we talked about it on Monday. Was it a bridge hack? Yeah, we even recent. Yeah, bridge, bro. Why do you think I avoid EVM compatible bridge chains? Why do you think I say nonstop I don't like Mokamada? Like all of these are such like the Rosen Bridge kind of scares me, you know. The Rosen Bridge is going to be a multi-chain bridge. The only difference is, I guess, all the vaults live on Ergo. Well, that shit's like an exploit. If they get exploited, Ergo goes to zero. I'm more of a like I like what Layer Zero's doing. I am not a fan of blockchains that are EVM compatible. Why? Well, why? Just go to Ethereum and Arbitrum and Optimism and ZK Sync, right? They're going to be the winner. If you want to invest in it, like if you're over there getting DeFi, making money, trading NFTs, making money, or just in it for the short term because you think it's going to outperform or whatever, go for it, bro. But for me, there's a reason I'm just mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I'm a basic bitch. I'm boring, but you know, Bitcoin, stock flow says Bitcoin's going to 8x. And other people tell me Ethereum's going to 10,000, 20,000, right? Whether or not these happen or not. But I think there's a good chance Cardano sees all-time highs again. So that's a 10x right there, bro. Just to get back to that. A 10x in Cardano, your boy ain't going to be complaining about shit over here, right? And I think it could go higher. I do think Ethereum will get to new all-time highs. I think Bitcoin will get to new all-time highs. I was living pretty large the last bull run. My only problem is I didn't take profits. I won't make that mistake again, and I've bought in a lot more since then. So there's reasons I didn't invest in Phantom. Cross-chain bridges. Most of these layer ones have cross-chain bridges to Ethereum. That's a lesson we learned in Harmony 1. And I'm done. It's just not worth the risk. That's one of the reasons I love Cardano. I love Ethereum. Cardano doesn't have cross-chain bridges. You buy Cardano native assets and you send it to Cardano. Cardano doesn't have USDC. And then I don't really have a problem with them having USDC as long as it's native, like what they're doing on Cosmos and such. But they're coming out with USDA, and that's a whole different level of security. They're securing themselves from these very, very serious attack vectors, and bridges is probably the most serious attack vector out there. Like, you go see what all the hacks are, and it's a bridge. Polkadot's Glimmer, whatever, hacked bridge. Cardano's Macomata, there was a bridge over there that caused a problem. It got hacked, but it didn't do much damage. We know about Harmony 1. We know Matic has had their bridges hacked. The guy returned the money, but that could have been disastrous. So that's why I stick to that's already a minefield, right? There's so many ways. It's technology, dude. There's one thing I know about being in technology for decades. There's bugs. There's bugs. There's cracks. There's chinks in the armor. So you got to be careful with this stuff. Yeah, that's my thoughts. Avalanche, same thing. You got a bridge. It's got all kinds of bridges. I mean, we can just go down the list if you want. All chains. Tron, I don't know much about that. BSC, there's bridges involved with, but BSC, it's layer 0. They got layer 0 going on over there. I like me some layer 0. There's no bridge. There's none of that real bridge rush. You know what I'm saying? Layer 0 is dope. Arbitrum and Optimism, there's bridges. And I don't know if it's the same secure problems. Right, so I do have some stuff going on over there. It makes me a little bit nervous, but it is all Ethereum based for the most part. Solana doesn't really have bridges, I don't think. And if they do, it's not going to take Solana down. It's going to take probably the other, whatever the wrapped asset is or whatever. Maybe, I don't know, right? I don't even know what some Mixin, Ultron, Kronos is garbage. Pulse. But the big ones you got to be concerned about are things like Phantom, Polygon to some extent, Avalanche. Those are all serious bridge problems. Could be bridge problems. I don't know about some of these others like Osmosis and Cosmos. It's kind of like Cardano. They're their own thing. They have, like I said, they have USDC over there. Moonbeam, bridge risk. EVM ERC20 sidechain on Polkadot. So any of those, I'm immediately not interested in. Doesn't surprise me that Phantom got hacked, right? There's a bridge. Anyone with the bridge is at risk. Those effers over in North Korea, they wake up, they drink their oolong tea or whatever the hell they drink and start smoking their cigarettes and they start trying to hack bridges. That's what they do day in and day out. Lazarus. All right. Anything else we care about? Polkadot, Matic, but CryptoVisor. This Matic's a good example and ICP is a good example of my title. We're going to get into that in just a second. Pepe. You are welcome, stranger. Pepe, come on, baby. Let's just get me back to even. Quant, Ajax, Meld, Caspa. How's Cat? Oh my goodness. Where's Velez at? Velez brought us this tasty morsel. We could have. He told us to buy it here. 0.01. It's almost a 4x, guys. This is Mentos's play. He told us to buy this at 0.04, and it's now like 0.036. So that one's not working out so far. What else did he? Oh, Pulse. We have Pulse on here. Pulse. Ocean, CryptoVisor. I sold all my Cardano for ICP and Matic. I'm never going to let him live that down. Sandbox, Ape, Link, App, Blap, Blap. Gala. Gala getting destroyed. Near. Remember when Near was all the rage for about 2 weeks? Arweave, love some Arweave. Phantom. Is this a good buy now? I wouldn't be buying it. I wouldn't touch this with your money. This is off a little. Or no, it's not, maybe. Yeah, I think it's off a hair. You can, if you gave me money and said I'll let you have this money, but you gotta buy Phantom with it, I'll be like, that's alright, bro, you can keep it. Frontora. Clayton. Oh, Harmony 1's up a little. Poll time. Do you think Harmony 1 will get to 20 cents? I think there's a decent shot Harmony 1 can make it to like 10 cents, but 20 cents? 20 cents? That's pushing it, bro. .08 max is Stranger. I think 10 cents is possible. That's only like a 6x. That's possible. There's still a strong-ish community over there, I think. Anyway, let's talk about selling all my Cardano. Actually, let's see what's going on in Cardano. Lenfi at number 2. Please, someone explain this to me. With a $53 million market cap. What am I missing? Someone explain to me why Lenfi has a 53... No, my mic's way over there. Someone explain to me why Lenfi has a $53 million market cap. Tom, why do you hate Lenfi so much? I don't hate Lenfi. I just want it to make sense. I wish Lenfi all the best. Unless their TVL exploded, their number 10 was 7.68 million in TVL. Yeah, no, something's afoot. That market cap does not jive with me, bros. Let's see how my Indie rewards are going down. Yesterday was Cardano payday. We earned 15.25 Indy. That kind of sucks. We used to be getting on that LP 23.6. So it keeps coming down. What's Indy price right now? 10.16. I'm losing money there too. That's all right. I'm pretty sure it'll have another move. People are probably FOMOing out of Indy into this LinFi. WMT, I really like what they got going on. They got 20 megahertz spectrum in the United States. This one could be a multi-billion-dollar company, guys. They're the 52nd largest telephone company or some shit. I don't know. Meld, looking forward to this one, but this market cap makes no sense. 43 million, they don't have a product. Milk, 36 million market cap. It's above Min Swap. There's something weird going on with LinFi and Milk, man. There's way too many pumpers on Twitter on this. And IAG, same thing. It's above Min Swap. I mean, it's got respectable TVL, but MinSwap's got 55 million in TVL and Milk's got half that. So again, make the market cap make sense, right? Until, and I don't think Milk's the best DEX on Cardano. You know why? ERC20 bridge risk. This is why. Tom, you're the no, bro. No, Moosely swap. Let me explain something to you. People, there's a lot of people. They're new to DeFi, I guess, in Cardano. They've been nothing but Cardano their whole life. Never really looked at another chain, and I don't understand this bridge shit. It is mine, and someone, I could be wrong. Moosely swap Milkomeda. They're on Milkomeda. How much TVL do they have over there? They hardly have any. It's a joke. But I don't know if their home's here, all their money's here. Where's their money? Is it? This is an ERC20. You connect your MetaMask to connect to this chain. You can bridge money over. Let me remind you. Harmony 1. Phantom. Polygon. Glimmer, whatever the F it is. Right? Every one of these chains have been hacked. Swap, Invest, and Cardano's leading. They were the first one on-chain order book. I don't know if they're doing what they're doing like dev-wise. The only one that's impressed me what they're doing like dev-wise is Sunday Swap. They're working really hard on Plutus V2. What's Moosely Swap doing? Are they doing anything with Plutus V2? Sunday Swap's working really hard to implement Hydra as Moosely. Min Swap, Wing Riders. Hello. Like, we can go check your Discord, but you just got a bunch of dumb announcements on all of them. Min Swap. Well, what do you got? Announcement. ADA in DeFi such cannot take part. Okay, who gives a shit, bro? Rebalancing. Open source security audit. Are you going fully open source? A big deal. What about Plutus V2 and Hydra? Sunday Swap. They were internal developer at Sorbet. They're porting their existing Sunday Swap contracts to Aiken. Awesome. Hydra transaction stream. Look at this. Just going ham over here on Sunday Swap. Oh, and hella F and O, bro. Brick time. Holy shit, that freaking got me horny as hell. All right, Liquid. They announced something. What do they got? LQ stickers now earn 10% of the protocol fees revenue generated from. Hell yeah, bro. Let's freaking go. I love Liquid Finance. I don't like the founder. The founder's a douche, but Liquid Finance is a great project that doesn't make sense. Why do you say that, Tom? Tom, you're a broken record. You say this shit every day. Tom. Liquid Finance, number 3 in TVL. 32 million and climbing fast. All the way down 17 with the 10 million market cap. Solana phone. What the hell? You're on a good one if that you're on a good one if that didn't get you brick, bro. Let's check out Liquid. I want to put more money in Liquid. If it's true, I need someone to explain to me if I supply Cardano simply to deposit it, is it non-custodial and can my money be hacked? That's what I want to know. Boron, Tongat, Ali, vitamin D3, K2, ashwagandha, quercetin. That's most of it. Ashwagandha and all of it's good for it, man. You can also start taking Yohimbi. I don't take that one. There's another one out there I can't remember. But the Tongat Ali and the ashwagandha is good for your stress levels too. We got paid in Cardano yesterday. 78 Cardano, thank you very much. I got 20 Indy. That's another 200 Cardano so I'm making like 300 Cardano every 5 days. I'll just get some Cialis. Yeah. Cialis gets your dick hard, but do you know what your testosterone levels are, Ricky? If you don't, you need Harmony. Oh my goodness, Kurt in the house. How you doing, brother? Shouldn't you be like on a plane or something? Glad to see you. One more day. If you don't know your testosterone levels, you should get them checked. Yeah, they cancel flights left and right. So do you got a later flight or what? Oh, good. We get to hang out with Kurt a little bit. You get to hear about me selling all my Cardano for Solana. It's a helicopter. Is Ian flying you? Is that helicopter a bitch? Little P-Dog? I thought we were buying at point. You were buying. You said you bought, and you never showed your receipts. Ricky, do you even own crypto? Like, you're the biggest troll ever. So, I'm selling all my Cardano for Solana. FIFA, Bobana, Solana. How do you get your level? Are you freaking stupid? Are you like trolling? You really don't know how to get your testosterone tested? You're the one that needs to get it together, bitch. Don't even know how to get your testosterone tested? What the hell's wrong with you? Oh, I think. Yeah, tell them you want a baseline. Tell them you want all this and you want it printed out or like A digital copy. So you have a baseline, bro. Tell them, I want this. I want this. And Canada, if you live in Canada, they could tell you to fuck off. But in the United States, and if that doctor like gives you static, get a different doctor. You don't even need a doctor. You can, I think you can just go to like one of those blood plate. But I mean, if your doctor orders it, your insurance will cover it and all that. Say, I want to know a baseline for the rest of my life. I want to make sure everything's good. And unless your doctor is a complete asshole, it won't be a problem. Mitch, it doesn't work like that. And even if it's not covered, just fucking pay for it. You're talking a couple $100 max. But they'll cover it. Unless your insurance is terrible. I saw a heart. When he sees me, he'll be, you don't need it. Tell him you have really low injury. Tell him you have really low energy levels. You're tired. You're exhausted. You have pains right here. You have Velez in the house, bro. He'll fucking just then go to a different doctor, right? They'll say, I want a full workup, so that I can have a baseline for the rest of my life. Shouldn't be an issue. You just arguing just to argue, bro. If you come back and you say you couldn't get it, then you suck. You can't negotiate. You can't find a good doctor. You should give up on life. That's why I asked how, and you got roasted for it. You're welcome, brother. I paid over $1,000 worth for STI tests when I was in Singapore. I just credited the cost of leisure, pay to play, but luck would have it my travel insurance. Wow, that's loopholes. Yeah, well, a little tough love every now and then, bitch. I mean, seriously, if you can't navigate getting a simple blood work done for your health, you're not trying hard enough, and you should just give up. Obviously, I'm kidding, but seriously, you know what I'm saying? Just joking, but seriously. All right, selling. Let's talk about selling all my Cardano for Solana. This is what happens, guys and gals. You're gonna get shiny coin syndrome. You're gonna get FOMO. You're gonna get FOMO arigato, Mr. Roboto. Things FOMO. Like Solana phones FOMO. Are gonna be announced, and the Solana's gonna start pumping, and you're gonna FOMO. And you're gonna be like, all the influencers are gonna pile in. Oh, Solana's breaking out. Solana, blah 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 blah. And some of them are gonna be actually legit say, I just sold on my Cardano and I'm going all in Solana. And you're going to FOMO into them. You're going to FOMO in with them like an idiot. And look, I'm not necessarily it could be the other way around. Here's the deal, man. These top cryptos are cyclical. They're going to have their news events. They're going to have their buy the rumor, sell the news. They're going to have different pumps. The money just moves around, right? It's just a lot of chasing. So usually after the move's already happened and it's too late, right? Remember why you got into Cardano. Remember why you got into Solana. I don't know if you have to write it down, put it on a vision board, but whether you can do better research or not, or whether or not you can remember why or not, get up in the morning and just look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself why, have a plan, why you bought this crypto, why you bought that crypto. What might have to happen for it to sell, right? You shouldn't even consider selling a crypto to FOMO into another one unless there's been some black swan event. And then you're effed anyway, right? You pretty much lost all your money. And this is going to happen all the time. Some shiny coin came out. Last bull run, it was CARDANO. George and everyone was like, oh, CARDANO. and people would sell coins and FOMO into Cardano, and then it was already too late, and Cardano crashed. Cardano is a great coin to look at. You know, like Cardano was one of the best performing assets the last bull market. One of the best performing assets the last bull market. It went from like 5 cents, 0.03 cents. Let's see. Right around 0.03 cents to $3. Let's do the math. Let's let TradingView do the math. 17,000% increase. Is that like a 17, 18x? And it's now currently down 92%. If it were to go to $5, you know, we're looking at 20x's, $6. Now, it's going to do it again, guys. It's going to do it again. Solana, maybe. My point is, remember why you got into a crypto. Don't FOMO into other shit. Don't sell like CryptoVisor. Don't sell all your coins thinking the grass is greener, right? Unless you really, really, really have a good reason. He had dumb reasons for selling Cardano and dumb reasons for buying ICP. I don't really hate his buying Matic. I think Matic's going to do really well in the bull run too. I think Cardano is going to do better, but I could be wrong. Matic, Cardano, and Solana probably all do well. But if you start FOMO and chasing, first of all, you got to pay tax, man. You're paying short-term capital gains. That's going to kill you. You got to make that big up, right? And then you got to buy this other coin, but you're FOMOing into it, so it's much more likely that it's not going to continue to go. And you're going to start losing money. You're going to get killed with fees. It's a game you can't win. Most people can't win that game. So just buy the damn coin. Buy it when it's cheap right now. Figure out what you want, whether it's Solana, Cardano, Matic. You should be buying your tits off now, right? Not financial advice. Like, this is the time to be buying. And then if you want to keep a bag on the side to FOMO into some new coin later, or, you know, you get shiny coin syndrome. Oh, that coin looks really cool, man. I got to have some of it in my bag like Schmeagle, right? That's fine, right? I learned in the last bull run. I learned so much in the last bull run in DeFi and in crypto in general. My bags are packed to the brim. I'm swimming like Scrooge McDuck in my vault full of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And it just keeps rising, right? It's just going to keep rising, the dollar value. Like, they're just going to be throwing money at me. And I'm just going to be like doing backstrokes and breaststrokes and diving, right? I can't wait. I can't wait to start lowering my coins and start filling it up with fiat and then doing it all over again in 2028. Let's see. I wish I got into crypto back in early well, I did, and you can learn from what I'm telling you. Now it's time. Yep. What are you laughing at so hard, Kurt? I only care about how big your ADA bag is. Yeah. What is this? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Like the video, boys, and come back tonight for Adam Jones. Did we get to the 10 likes yet? Hopefully not. I'm just going to end the video right now so I don't have to stream tonight. Oh my goodness. Who cheated? Ricky, did you do a second account vote? I said 15 likes, right? The video had to get to 15 likes. We're 5 likes away, guys. I don't think we can get there. And I think we're going to get there, Ricky. Need 5 more likes. Yeah, you don't like it when I play that game, do you? I need to fix this thumbnail, too. I've been lazy about it. When I took this picture, I don't know. Yeah, when I took this picture, I didn't have my light on, so it's really dark. Maybe I'll fix that tonight. Velez, bags of PBX, Galen, Caspa, and you're gonna start selling it once it starts popping off. Yeah, you're a risky mofo, bro. I'll tell you that. I will tell you that. But it could pay off handsomely. I mean, you've already gotten paid in Galen. I mean, in Caspa and PBX. Have you already taken like your initials off the board there? We were talking about you before you were here, saying we should have listened to you on Caspa. I mean, I don't know how much steam that bitch has left. It might have a lot. I'm not entrenched in their community at all. I don't listen to anything on their Twitter. I know it's made its waves through the Cardano community. A lot of Cardano community was kind of talking about it for a second. PBX, how's it doing? I haven't checked in on that one. I mean, I have, but I forget. Staying about the same, pulling back. I wish you the best on these, bro. Oh, we were going to look at liquid. You left half your bag? Hell yeah. Like so are you sitting in cash with all that? Like, what are you gonna buy? Are you gonna continue to buy risky shit? Or are you gonna like, because I mean, if you say you have 45K sitting there in cash, like you could put that into Bitcoin and almost guarantee yourself a 3x on that, or Ethereum and guarantee yourself 3 to 5x. Cardano, guarantee yourself a 10x, right? They make bad numbers, dude. That's definitely life-changing money. When I say guarantee, it's not financial advice, and I could be wrong, but you get my point. You're addicted to those like 100x's. You want them 100x's. And that's the thing, man. You've hit some home runs, so you got to be careful. When you hit some home runs early and you think you're king of the world and you keep doing it, eventually you don't hit a home run and you can start losing. Right, so or take half, continue to take half of it and try and hit home runs, and take the other half and get like, or go for grand slams with half and just go for the home runs. You know, your Cardanos and Ethereums with the other half. All right, what wallet? We're on NAMI. No, we're not. We were on Ledger. You did BTC, very smart. I think BTC can have a really, like, if that ETF gets approved, look at us just getting paid over here. Back up to 1. I don't know why it was only half that one time. What was that for? Oh, the stable coin farming over here is ridiculous, Kurt. I'm surprised you're not all up in this. Plus, you get fees now. What exactly is going on? LQ stakers now earn 10% of the protocol. So I need to get all my LQ staked. I think I'm staking. How much do I got staked? This is a lot like GMX over on total balance. So I'm not staking any right now. Let's see what I can claim. Claimed, unclaimed for, not a lot. I want to get more involved in the liquid. I think this one can be big. They're one of the first movers. Good engineers, good devs. Their coin, there's only 21 million liquid, same as Bitcoin. It's a 10 million market cap. This thing can easily be a 50x. For $500 million? Come on, dude. In a bull run, people start using the shit out of this. It's non-custodial. It's got good tokenomics. Like, this thing is, it feels like a no-brainer to me. It really does. Oh, no sound. No, I don't know how I got muted. I was just singing Going to the Chapel. I'm going to the chapel because I'm gonna get married and I'm sending Cardano over to my wallet to put it on liquid finance. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Oh, I'm in a weird mood, boys and girls. I'm in a bad mood because I got a stream tonight. Ricky cheated. I know you cheated, bro. I wish I could see, I wish I could reverse IP trace who gave me the like. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Oh, let's go. Look how quick that was. All right, let's go over to liquid. I should buy an aqua farmer at this rate. All right, so we're gonna supply max. We don't want to do that. We'll go 6,300. Who are the big YouTubers? Was I muted when I asked that? Who are the big YouTubers? I might have been muted. I mean, I'm talking about it, so I guess there's that. Big boy, cryptos are us. You're the cheater. It's at 9. Is it really? Someone Kurt loves me so much. He probably went over there and took his away, so I don't have to stream. That's my boy. It's still at 10. Why do you like make shit up? Do you just like effing with me? It's still at 10, you asshole. Invalid spending password. ESL 9. I mean, I don't want to stream tonight. I feel like I'm gonna want to take a nap. Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, we're talking about Monday though. Control R. I'm having a hard time supplying. Market is batching. Yeah, we're doing an Adam Jones video tonight. Part 3 of that boring ass, good for nothing, blowhard video. The final and last stretch. Is this thing gonna work or not? I need Adam Jones in the background for my run. All right, let's do send this token. Okay, collect UTXOs. Do I have my liquid tokens in here? No. Oh, I'm on the wrong wallet. Duh. Ooh, 26 liquid tokens. There we go. You just saw some high level advanced shit going on there to make this shitty ass Cardano network work. They need to make this easier, and I'm not even joking. I don't know why it can't be error loops in the background can't like figure it out. If the transaction hits this, do this and that, and prompt the user to do this or that. I don't, and you know what I'm saying? It's just all programming, bro. Yeah, the problem is all these projects they program on their off time while they work at McDonald's during the day. All right, we just supplied some Cardano. We're gonna borrow. What are we gonna borrow? The borrowing cost is cheaper on IUSD and it pays 50%. Let's see what we got on Indigo too. I gotta switch wallets though, which is kind of annoying. Getting late. My CDB fellatio is 281%. Let's manage. Let's mint $500 in USD. I understand. Yeah. And it'll put me at 209% collateral ratio. That means Cardano would have to crash to like 15 cents. I mean, it's possible. Makes me a little nervy. See how many clicks this is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Waiting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Waiting. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Waiting. 20, 21. 21 clicks. 21 double clicks. Yeah. Cardano's amazing. And there's a 50-50 chance the transaction will fail. I don't have to do it all over again. Cardano's amazing. Fluid tokens. They got some. This project's actually kind of interesting. You can lend out your NFT, so people can rent out your NFT for a day, like your tap tools. So they say you want to use tap tools premium, but you don't have a tappy. You can like buy it for a day for like 10 ADA or something. It's interesting. I'll give them that. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Cardano. You act like I got all the time in the world. This was Solana. I would have done everything I needed to done like 10 minutes ago, and I still got like 30 more minutes of this bullshit trying to do what I need to do. How do you like them apples, Kurt? I wouldn't have this problem on Solana. All you Kool-Aid sippers over on Cardano. We got some shit to fix over here, boys and girls. Solana will go offline. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of their current plan. What I think's happened at Solana, they're trying to build this second completely different blockchain to be so it's highly available. Their plan is to build a completely different blockchain so that when their normal shit chain goes offline, everything is high available on their new blockchain. What I really think's happening is that's just their excuse they're using to sucker you into believing that nonsense, and that change really just the initial chain, they realize they can't make it work, and they're just using that as a stall tactic to buy time and get more money off your dumbasses to build that other chain and then eventually move to it and then abandon that one. Say, oh, well, this new one's so good now, if they can even pull it off. But you're talking about how can you can't even get the first one working right, and you're going to completely start building another one? Did you double your devs? Like, what's the, whatever, bros. Like, it makes no sense. It makes no sense to your boy. All right, let's see what we got going. Collateral ratio 235, I believe. That's actually better. 208. Okay, there we go. I should have some IUSD in my wallet. Might take a minute to show up. Ooh, look at that Wing Riders. I'll do better than that. I'll give you a tweet you can retweet. Ooh, 2 people commented on it already. I wonder if Kurt was one of them. He didn't retweet it though. Let's see what we got. No, that's just all lame shit, it looks like. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income with crypto, okay, dickhead. Let's come pile in with your YouTube video. He's got 4 people following him. What a loser. Loser! Are you getting enough iodine? Nope. I already know that answer. You need like fucking seaweed, bro. Should I start taking iodine pills? Where's my IUSD, bitch? There we go. We're gonna send you. We're gonna send to NAMI. And then you gotta go next. And then you gotta add token. You gotta all add. They can make this process a little bit easier too. 1.15 Cardano. I think I'm made of money. It's like 45 cents. Remember, Cardano's supposed to be cheap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 clicks just to send money. BTC dumping. Oh no. Oh shit. What's going on, dude? What is going on? Cardano holding up okay. Did the ETF get denied? Ethereum down? Shit's crashing. What is going on? Probably just a little manipulative chili dipper. Is there some news? That's kind of a move that the Federal Reserve launches FedNow system. I don't even know what that is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. Like, what does that mean to me? Do I need a FedNow wallet to get like my tax return? Did you drink milk this morning? Nope. I drank lots of caffeine. Plan B, a lot of blah, 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 blah. I don't know, bro. You just say a lot of weird shit, and I'm supposed to understand your chart. Just tell me what you think. How the goes to 110 real estate. Yeah, like, who understands this? Bitcoin's going to be 100 and some thousand months until the next halving. Scarcity. Oh, silver, real estate, gold, Bitcoin's blue. So he thinks Bitcoin's going to be, but when? I'm like, who, what the? You need to take classes to read his charts. Russia, Ukraine. Oh yeah, I told in a tweet we just need to send everything. Send everything to Ukraine. Let's get this shit over. What are you focused on accumulating right now? Ada. Come on, dude. Am I the only voter? How's the so 75 one person thinks it'll get to 20 cents. Who's the Kool-Aid sipper? 75% say no. World Mobile Token partners with some Chinese blockchain. All right, let's go over here. Do this. Let's do this. There's my IUSD. Let's borrow another 500 here. Select collateral. That. Max. Health factor. Oh, we got a great health factor. Something went wrong? Oh, come on, bro. Come on. I'm just waxing poetic how great you are. I see the hearts. That's you, Kurt. You should be over here yield farming this freaking fat fiat. These juicy rates. Government Venmo. Something went wrong. God damn. Receive. Let's see. UTXO. Token. Send. TX Builder. Collect. Token fragmentation. Like I shouldn't have to. Is this going to get me where I need to go? Borrow. 500. Select collateral. QADA. Max. Market is batching. Market is batching. Market is batching. Borrow 500 USD. You cannot borrow right now due to market demands. Cardano's lovely, guys and gals. Like, are you kidding me? Can I deposit? Assets to supply. Let's see if it lets me supply. $50% on your stablecoin. Are you freaking kidding me? On an asset that I think could 10x, 20x. 50% on an asset that 10 or 20x. Yeah, please sign me up. Oh, I need to shave. I need to shave my face. I need to shave my head. I need to shave my nutsack. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter, and we're going to wrap this shit up. Are we still dumping, or is it just a little quick shakeout? It's trying to bounce back. What's Coinbase doing? Is it dumping? Is the market dumping? Yeah, Coinbase down $5. The Nasdaq, is the Nasdaq dumping? Is everything a dump? Nasdaq's down 232, so that's why crypto's dumping. I don't know why the market's dumping. How do I open up dashboard? Let's see if they got Blackstone marks record 1 trillion in assets with earnings slump. I lost $5,000 today. Well, that's not how you want to start a Friday. Yeah, Nasdaq close to all-time high. Yeah, but it's been down the last few days. It's down pretty big today. Well, our poll yesterday was, would the Nasdaq get to new all-time highs by September? I think 67% said yes. Oh, that's gonna sting. That's gonna leave a mark. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's a oh oh. Hopefully no broken noses or um hopefully he ended up being okay. Sometimes you could take a nasty hit like that and it's not that big a deal. Something tells me he at least had to get some stitches. I actually did a back dive as a kid, and so on the swimming pool, there's the edge of the pool, and then I guess I should do this. What's the best way to prescribe this? What's the best way to prescribe what I'm telling you? So there's the edge of there's the edge of the pool, right? I'm standing on the edge of the pool right here, and this is the water, but there's a gutter that came out like 6 inches. So I did a back dive and landed on the gutter. Like 53 stitches, 3 layers of stitches in my head. It was amazing. Amazing. Knocked me out cold. And then I woke back up in the water and I swam up and the lifeguard was freaking out. Oh my goodness. I had cracked my head open like 3 or 4 times as a kid. Twice in the pool. Swimming pools are dangerous. Yep. All right. Let's see what we got going on. Good. God did it better. Coconuts is better than Gatorade. I agree with that. Was I muted that whole time talking about the swimming pool? Please tell me I wasn't. You heard my swimming pool story, right? It's a great story. I'm not going to tell it again. The moment's gone. Was that whole time muted or you just effing with me, bro? God damn it. I don't even care. Retro in the house. How you doing, brother? Oh, okay. Thanks, Retro. I appreciate that. Glad to see you, bro. How you doing? You buying? Have you been buying or are you done with crypto? I give you a hard time every now and then, calling you a bitch, saying you bitched out on crypto, but you should be buying right now, dude. It's getting ready to pop off in this bitch. Oh, you were lagging. Busy back to my new job. How's that going? You enjoying it? Got any hot alpha over there? Telling your boss to get into some, telling your boss to buy some LCX and some render. Telling your new boss to get into crypto. Yeah, don't, a little piece of advice. Don't try and, don't give your boss over there financial advice to buy crypto. You don't have a network at all here. What do you mean? You don't have a network in the office or out of the office? Didn't you have a little honey dip at the last office you were trying to mac on? Is that why you got a new job? She rejected you and you couldn't show your face in the office anymore? Yeah, you don't have a network in the office. You got rejected by that honey dip, and that's why the real reason you got a new job, isn't it? You were embarrassed. I remember you were macking on. I remember you were like, I don't know if she worked in the office or not. Thanks, Melez. Like 2 minutes later, 5 minutes later. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, 4 a.m. Becker. Let's see. Week-long heavy mold pathogen detox done. I want to do that. What does that involve? Caffeine free. I'm not doing that. Going for the bill. Giddy and privileged. What are you saying? Keep yourself. Always feel a blah. Pound it back. All right, bro. There's a pound. When you have a ton of blood. Oh, I need to call my doctor and see. Shit, it's 8:03 too. God damn it, Retro just got here. I just want to continue to talk to him. Oh yeah, Tesla earnings. They said Nvidia. Interestingly, I thought they had their own chip. Maybe they still get that like silicon, or I don't understand, but Tesla said NVIDIA can't provide them enough chips. They said they would buy them all. If they could get enough chips from NVIDIA, they wouldn't even need to build Dojo, possibly. But that's just Elon Musk talking out his ass. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, I mean, I have to get off too, so. Bud Light Brooks. You've ever watched Tom Segura listen to the Your Mom's House podcast? There's a long running joke about Garth Brooks. It's pretty funny. Mostly swap, blah, blah, blah. Mr. Top Step at the Ritz-Carlton, Miami. Good for him. Someone in California won the Powerball. Was that you, Ricky? Can you cut me off a little slice, bro? It wasn't me. What about you, Jason? Was it you? Yeah, just a couple mil. You're getting 500. If I won the Powerball, if I won that Powerball, I would give everyone in the chat 5 million. I'm not even joking, bro. I'm not even joking. You wish? Yeah. You just remember, if you win a big ass jackpot, still 5 million my way. I would do it, bro. I would do it for you. Guaranteed. Kurt, maybe a little bit more. All right, everyone. Here's another. Oh, is that the same chart that didn't make sense before? All right, let's see if crypto's bouncing back. Bitcoin 29.7, Ethereum 18.91, Cardano 32. Looks like a little slight chilly dipper. Nasdaq, E-mini S&P down 15, Nasdaq down 200. Lotteries, yeah, for sure. All right, everyone. I will be back tonight around 5 o'clock, I think. Let me get one last check. Please be at 9. 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 All right, I'll be back at around 5 o'clock tonight, unless I forget. 5 o'clock tonight for an Adam Jones part 3. There's only like 30 minutes left, so we can hang and chat and talk about whatever else too. Anyway, you all have a great day. Love you all.